Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guide channel, and today we're going to be discussing what the REST button is for on 2005 to 2012 model BMWs. So if you're like me, there's a couple of things that with all this that isn't exactly completely clear, and sometimes you need a bit of guidance on what it is. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Basically, the REST button allows you to pump in the residual heat from the engine after you've been on a journey to keep the cabin warm. This is good for winter time, that sort of thing, if you're making a short stop. And it allows you to then essentially not preheat the cabin, but heat the cabin whilst the engine is off, using the heat from the engine. As you can see, because I haven't run the car, it won't do it. But essentially, yeah, all you need to do, once you park up, turn your engine off, press the REST button. This will illuminate, and then eventually, then your blowers will come on. And this is essentially the car pumping all of the heat radiating from the engine into the cabin. This is useful if you're in winter and you're making a stop somewhere. You can park up, hit the REST button, and the car will be nice and warm when you return. One word of warning, that if you use this without allowing the engine to fully warm up, it will eventually use all the hot air up and start pumping in the cold air. So it's definitely worth making sure that the engine is fully warmed up and has been running for a decent amount of time before you use this. But yeah, that's it guys. It's a fairly useful thing, especially when you know how to use it. And yeah, so if there's anything else in this sort of area, or any sort of controls or anything that you guys want to know about, make sure you comment below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!